was up in smoke and yours was all about the past, and all you carried on your back, it was so heavy until you met me. We made up a language so our words can finally match with what we're feeling for each other. Change our names so we can call on one another. No one gets me like you do. When I'm with you, the smoke begins to fade. When I'm with you, we can carry anything. When I'm with you, I'm ready for the ride. I hope you know I love you. I love you with my life. You think you're not so special, Dee, but I found you in the desert, like a pond of living water, where I rest my running thoughts. I think you saved me. Didn't even know my throat was so dry. And you think so little of yourself, but Riri, if you saw the things I see in you, you'd know that there's no better place in all the world than with you. And everybody knows.
Welcome to the real world, where you finally are awaking, when you start to see the future and the chances you're not taking. You say one day I'll be president, maybe an astronaut, and travel around the world to find the person that I forgot to be. But you've been so busy thinking you know everybody else. Well, you should know yourself. Know yourself. When the lines have up been seen, it's what's written in between. You've got to know yourself. And it's fun to play pretend, but you can have it in the end. And know yourself. Taking the oxygen, same that was there the day before. You can't explain it, but you don't feel much like breathing it no more. You think, I wish I was good enough, I wish I could do the stuff my heroes are so good at, stuff I always said I would. But lately you've been fishing, wishing anyone would help. You should help yourself. Know yourself. When the lines have all been seen, it's what's written in between. You've got to know yourself. And it's fun to play pretend, but you can have it in the end. And know yourself.
nights, how many miles did we burn just to see a little of the world? How many times did we say we'll forever be this way? How many days did we spend wishing we would never have to end? We weren't perfect for each other, but we were running away from another love. Couldn't get enough, did everything we dreamed of. In 2016 in Seattle, I hope you know that I'm thankful for all we did and all we tried to do. Sometimes I still dream of you, on some evenings I still feel it. I crack a smile when my heart's bleeding on the floor. I guess you clean out my drawer, 'cause we don't talk anymore. We don't talk, we don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. How many nights do we go out? Always had something to talk about. Palace kitchen, sitting and listening, feet on the floor and up in the clouds. We weren't perfect for each other, but we were running away from another love. Couldn't get enough, did everything we dreamed of. In 2016 in Seattle, I hope you know that I'm thankful for all we did and all we tried to do. Sometimes I still dream of you, on some evenings I still feel it. I crack a smile when my heart's bleeding on the floor. I guess you clean out my drawer, 'cause we don't talk anymore. We don't talk, we don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. And I'll always remember our last day, November 17th. We didn't wanna wake up from our